Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a very Petite FIREFLY automatic super lighter. It is in very good condition. The monogram panel is clear. It has sort of a shaded finish to it. I believe it's chrome plated. Sort of a miniature version of the Ronson Adonis. Seems to be a very good striking lighter. Lights very well, and very similar to the green emerald enameled Continental CMC lighter that we had a while back. This lighter does show scuffs, scratches, maybe some dings. Overall though, very good condition. There is a loop here. A lot of times you'll see these miniature lighters will have a string that'll have a tassel hanging off the back. You can see the base is marked Japan automatic super lighter, and then the FIREFLY brand here on the side. There are some scratches across that monogram panel. I fueled this lighter about a week ago in anticipation of making the video. It seemed very reliable when I lit it that day, but I have not messed with it a whole lot since. We may have to put some more fuel in it here. We'll have to see how it acts throughout the video. This lighter is marked FIREFLY, which is also the brand on this Grand Canyon lighter. And the name automatic super lighter is what I think of, and the way that a lot of these State Series Ronson standard clones are marked. And I didn't look close enough. Looks like there might be a line under this FIREFLY and not the other one. So maybe these are actually two different FIREFLY brands from Japan. I don't know. Could have been that one was from a later time than the other, perhaps. Or maybe it's the same company. That very well could be. I got confused when I was making the repair video, and I said that, well, I didn't just say it, I was surprised that the flint tube was straight. And I think that's what threw me off, was that automatic super lighter, and that this is such a diminutive lighter in stature that I did not take everything into account, and I assumed that it was going to have a curved flint tube as opposed to like the standards and all those type super lighters, where the Ronson Adonis and all those clones typically do have a straight flint tube. So we did disassemble this mechanism, get it all put back together. Nothing fancy. The fill screw is just that, a fill screw. Does, and keep a hold of it, appear to have the gasket intact. I've talked elsewhere about how unnecessary I believe that is, but it's there nonetheless. But no spare flint compartment or anything like that in the fill screw. Just a plain fill screw. You would have the loop back here that you could employ, as we talked about with the getting an echo off that can. The loop that you could employ, like we had on the Whirlwind lighter the other day that had the Newfoundland coin on it. Hang it from your neck, hang it from your belt, dashboard of your car. I did not change the wick in it, though we did, as I said, repair or clear the flint tube. Still feel like I got an echo in here, and I'm not sure why. Firefly automatic super lighter, made in Japan. If somebody doesn't buy this lighter within a week or two, I'd say there's a good chance this one ends up as a charity lighter. Penny start for HDSA. Make sure you get over there and check those out. Maybe it's my Zippo can over here that's causing the echo. I hope that's not throwing the whole video off. You can see there's some sort of effect in the finish there. I don't think that's like engine turning or anything like that. Just sort of a shady matte type finish to the chrome or nickel or whatever it is. I assume chrome. Until next time.